Alright, today's video we're going to be cleaning up this owl. This is one I've had laying around for quite some time now. It's looking like it needs some work. I'm going to go through and touch up some of the feather patterns here on this lower wing, and then also try to get rid of like this area, this bottom half of the log right there, to kind of separate the owl from the log and make him look like his feet are perched more, like he's standing on something. So we'll clean up this bottom portion and do some work on his wings, and we'll see what it looks like when we're done.